Hey guys, Ed here, and this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your air filter in the 2019 and up Nissan Altima. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Find the latch in the middle, raise it up, take a stand, secure it, and you're good. Now, this is our air filter housing. To remove the air filter housing, it's very simple. You just have to unclick two clip pins, 1 and 2. After that, we should be able to wiggle out this piece. This is enough. And here we have the filter. Okay, the car has 11,000 miles. This is pretty much how filter looks. Okay, of course, obviously it's still good. We're gonna reuse it, but another 15,000 miles, it should be changed. Yeah, so if you need to replace one, get your just go online, type in 2019 Nissan Altima air filter, find vendor you'd like to buy it from, and whichever product you would like to buy, just get yourself a new filter. Same way, take the old one out, put the new one in. Okay, just like this. Then we just put the cover back on, but first we're gonna put the back on. It slides in, and then we just close these two caps. As you can see, it's very simple. Everyone can do this, and this is regular maintenance you should actually do to your car, just like oil changes. Well guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.